Hey everyone, back with me again in this channel. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe this channel. Biden 79 had mild symptoms according to the White House. His diagnosis came as a highly contagious subvariant of the coronavirus drives a new wave of cases in the United States. Here are some of the troubles affecting the economy, which was hit particularly hard by the COVID-19 pandemic due to its reliance on tourism. Government finance. Strains on Tunisia's public finance have led to delays in state salaries and difficulties in paying for wheat imports. The budget deficit is expected to widen to 9.7% of GDP this year from a previously forecast 6.7%, Central Bank Governor Maroun Abbasi has said. This is due to a stronger dollar and sharp rises in grain and energy prices, knock-on effect of the Ukraine war, Abbasi has said, have generated an additional $1.6 billion of financing needs. State finance were already stretched by one of the highest public sector wage by bills in the world compared to the size of the economy, and heavy spending on imported energy and food subsidies. A weaker Tunisian dinar has added to the pressure. The currency weakened to 3.18 dinars to the dollar in the 12 months to July 14, a 13.2% decline. The government hopes to secure a $4 billion IMF loan in exchange for freezing public sector wage and recruitment and cutting food and energy subsidies, but the powerful UGTT labor union opposes the reforms, a significant obstacle. Debt seemed more risky. The IMF said last year that Tunisia's public debt would become unsustainable unless reforms were enacted with board support. Tunisia's outstanding public debt will reach nearly 114.14 billion dinars, or $40 billion by the end of 2022, accounting for 82.6% of GDP, according to the 2022 state budget, an increase from 81% in 2021. Reflecting investor concern spreads on Tunisian public debt, the premium investors demand to hold it rather than ultra-safe U.S. government bonds are now some of the highest in the world. They have risen to over 2,800 basis points, almost 3 times than 1,000 level that normally sets off the warning sirens. Along with Ukraine and El Salvador, Tunisia is on Morgan Stanley's top 3 list of likely defaulters. Some $3 billion worth of Tunisian foreign currency debt is set to mature between 2024 and 2027. Frozen out of international markets, the government hopes an IMF funding agreement would unlock wider financial support. Biden was speaking in Nigeria, where he held meetings with officials from Africa's largest oil producer this week. He was told that Nigeria was improving security in the Niger Delta and planned to reopen the Tiran-Niger pipeline after August, which would yield more gas export to Europe. The UAE imports 14% of its total LNG supplies from Nigeria, and there is potential to more than double this, Baldwin told Reuters by phone. Oil and gas output in Nigeria is being throttled by theft and vandalism of pipelines, leaving gas producer Nigeria LNG Ltd's terminal at Bonny Island operating at 60% capacity. If we can get up to beyond 80%, at that point there might be additional LNG that could be available for spot cargoes to come to Europe, Baldwin said. Maybe that's all from me in this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe, and see you till next time.